Hello everyone and welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making a light and crunchy delight, Teatime Biscuits. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of almonds, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix well. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of milk. Combine everything into a soft dough. Don't over knead the dough, just mix until combined. Take some dough, roll it out evenly. Roll the dough evenly so all biscuits cook at the same time. Cut using your favorite cookie cutter. You can shape them into hearts, stars, or any design your kids love. And gently prick each biscuit with a stick to prevent puffing. Pricking is most important to avoid puffing and to keep them flat and crispy. These biscuits stay fresh in an airtight jar for over a week. Now fry them in medium heated oil until golden and crispy on both sides. Fry on medium heat. High heat will brown them too fast without cooking through. Almond and sesame seeds add healthy fats and protein. Coconut boosts fiber and adds a rich nutty flavor. Since you control the sugar and oil, these are healthier than store-bought cookies. Wasn't that simple? These biscuits are crunchy, flavorful, and perfect for any tea time break. If you love this recipe, please hit the like button and share it with your biscuit-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more unique, easy homemade snacks. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another cozy treat.